I was going through this video on city driving vlogging. I'm going to mute the audio and I'm going to play this video. So basically, this person is driving through Chandigarh, which is a city here in India. And you can see as he's driving, he's kind of showing the roads, the areas around where he is driving, and so on and so forth. Now, for most people, this wouldn't be a problem, but you can clearly see the number plate of people in the video. So while as of today, there is no problem showing number plates in the video, in the future, this can get a bit more complex from the privacy standpoint. While YouTube does not allow these number plates in the videos, but while YouTube currently does not have any problems with these, it can get problematic in the future. So I was reading through this Reddit post, and this says that they've shot a couple of videos with number plate visible. The comment here says that I guess that depends on your country's law. Some people say I don't blur it, it's in the street every day. Some people say they don't have the expectation of privacy when in public. Why should a vehicle owner? And so on and so forth. But there are certain people who say that I would blur it, just avoid the problem from the get-go. And where they live, they actually have to blur license plates when the picture is posted publicly, or you might get fined for privacy violation. And right now, this is not a norm, but I think we are slowly moving towards a world where this will get more and more prominent, and people would want to make sure that their privacy info is not visible outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop some section from this video. So 2.40 to I guess 3.33. Let me download this video real quick. Okay, so I got the video, and if you actually scroll through the same Reddit post that I was talking about, a lot of people now prefer blurring the videos, and this is 2 years back when privacy wasn't a huge thing, especially now that AI is here, privacy is picking up in a big way. So I did also look up Claude to find out a list of countries where blurring license plate is mandatory. EU is one of the places where you need to blur, UK, Switzerland, Japan, Australia, Brazil, and there will be a lot more countries that will soon join this, and this is just a high level list, right? In most countries, while it's not illegal, people still don't want you to show their license plate. So I downloaded the video, I uploaded in this clipper, I got the clip that I want, and now I'm gonna go to bgblur.com, where I can either blur faces, number plates, or backgrounds in real time. So I'm gonna go to upload video, and then I'm gonna upload the video that I have here. This is a low quality video, only files up to 2 minutes are supported. Maybe there's an issue, so let me open this. Okay, so this is a 3-minute video. I need a shorter cut of the video, so let's just give me 1 second, or rather I'm going to show you what I do. So if I just go ahead and upload the same video here, takes a few seconds for the video to upload, and then I can have the start and end times right here. I'm going to do 3 minutes, and I'm going to start with the 3-minute window here, because that's where the things get started, or rather that's where things start to get very interesting. And I'm going to say clip the video. Okay, so finally I got the video that I wanted, and I'm going to be working on this specific video to use in the blur setup. So it's being downloaded right now. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so the video is ready. I'm going to upload it right here. You can see this is 1 minute 48 seconds long, and I would like to blur number plate and any faces in the video. You can upload a reference image. Now this could be a separate number plate and so on if you don't want to blur specific things in the image. But I'm just going to apply blur effects to everything and see how the final output would look like. This will take some time because this is going to find each and every number plate in your frame, and this is a 60 FPS video. So this is going to take a few minutes for it to process. So the video is downloaded. Let's just quickly take a look at the video. You can see it's applying blur as soon as these number plates get closer and the numbers start to get visible. When the numbers are not visible, there's no blur. But the minute in any of the frame, the numbers start to get visible, you would see a simple blur that gets applied, which makes it hard for people to figure out the number plates. Now, this is a darker blur option, but we've also added a simpler blur. You can see this biker. When their number is visible, the app applies the blur, but as it goes far away and the number is not visible anymore, there is no blur in the app per se. It's not 100% accurate because you can see for some of the number plates, you can still make out how they look like or what the number plates are. But we are working on improving the quality of the app per se. You can see this one also was not very well detected because there was a piece of clothing flying on top of the number plate. But either ways, so this is the app, and it's still not 100% accurate, but we're working on the quality and improvements, and should be shipped in the coming few months. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys can start using this in case you are a travel blogger or someone who records a lot of these, driving videos. This looks beautiful. So if you guys are doing something like this, please feel free to use the app and let us know if you have any feedback.